Okay, Belly, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Let me go back across to addressing some more news coming in with my colleague Aditya. Aditya, we're learning that the weather office has now issued a statement saying that visibility had dropped to 0.5 meters at 5:30 a.m. this morning. General visibility at Safdarjung Airport was reduced to zero in very fog dense at 7:30 a.m. as the temperatures remain rather stagnant. The same is expected tomorrow as well. Aditya, take our viewers through the details.
Well, absolutely. The situation here is very problematic. You know, there have been many trains are, their announcements are being made repeatedly that the trains are getting rescheduled, they are getting cancelled. The trains are being, very shortly trains are being the platform number of trains are changed. The arrival of the station is being the trains are not getting green signal. The problem persists but now the people are helpless. They are standing like helpless in the stations, as we have communicated. A large crowd is increasing moment by moment as many people are coming, but there has been no clarity so far as to what is the scenario. Many people are frustrated sitting in the cold. Yes, Devika, back to you in the studio.
Aditya, let's quickly also speak to some of the passengers as we were earlier. I will come back to some more news, but let's quickly speak to some of the passengers. Let's understand from them how long they've been waiting and what really has been their experience. How are people coping up with both the cold as well as the fog situation which is resulting in these delays?
Right. Absolutely. I will speak to some people here as to, ma'am, आपकी ट्रेन लेट है क्या? आपकी ट्रेन कितनी लेट है?
हम लोग का ट्रेन ऑलमोस्ट 6 आवर्स लेट है.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप?
Now we reached from Guwahati to New Delhi. संपर्क क्रांति एक्सप्रेस.
कितना लेट है?
ऑलमोस्ट 6 आवर्स.
तो आपको कोई रेलवे ऑफिशियल से कुछ जानकारी मिल रही है कि कब तक आएगी, कब तक डिपार्चर हो जाएगा?
नहीं, हम लोग ऐसे ही उधर रेलवे के जितने भी कर्मचारी हैं उन लोग से ही पूछ रहे हैं.
आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई आपको सही जवाब नहीं मिल पा रहा रेलवे के थ्रू?
ऐसा तो हम लोग उधर ही जो पूछा था वो जो काम करने वाले हैं उधर से उन लोग से ही पूछते थे.
जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये ठंड बहुत ज्यादा है, कैसे आप लोग कोप अप कर रहे हैं? इतना ओपन एरिया है, पूरा ओपन है, इतना ज्यादा ठंड है, किस तरीके से कोप अप कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, अभी हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. हम लोग अभी दूसरे जगह डेस्टिनेशन जा रहे हैं, तो हम लोग अभी 5-10 मिनट में ही इधर से चले जाएंगे.
तो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. अब सिटी में थोड़ा दिन वहां रुकेंगे, फिर दोबारा स्टेशन आएंगे.
हाँ, ऐसे करेंगे.
So as we can see, Devika, there is a passenger, whose train is 6 hours late, and the railway officials aren't confirming anything about it. So due to this, because of standing in cold the entire day, they are forced to go to some other destination in Delhi and then come back because the train is 6 hours late and there is no certainty that they will be able to board the train or not. Yes, Devika, back to you in the studio.
Stay on with us. We have some more important news coming in, some more breaking.